Okay, hello. I'm going to show you guys how to snip a image and put it into a Google form, because I know there were some questions about this and I just want to make sure everybody knows how to do it. All right, so I will go here to a form we are working on and I will add a new question. All right, what is this? Okay, now obviously you always have this option, right? You have camera, you can type in an email, or I'm sorry, a URL. You can get it from your photos, you can get it from your drive, or you can do a Google image search. Right? If you need something specifically uploaded, let's say from a, like I said, this is what my daughter's working on. Let's say you're a math teacher and you want to snip some of these problems and put them in a Google form as a question. All right, so I like to use the snip tool down here. Okay, click on snip. All right, this screen shows up. You click new. Let's say I want just this image right here. Okay, so now it's in there. All right, what I want to do is I want to copy this. Yeah, that's this copy button right here. And what I will do is I will open a new document. All right, I'll start a whole new Google Doc. And I will paste that image directly into the document. Okay, and this is an attempt for me to get it somewhere other than the snip tool. Okay, right click, paste. All right, there's the image. All right, now what I want to do is I want to click on that image, make sure there's a blue box around it. I want to then right click on that image and I want to save it to keep. Okay, now Keep is another Google product. Right, and what Keep allows you to do is come over here and click on it again. Right click on Keep, and now I'm going to save the image as. Now this is you downloading it on your computer. All right. Figure 2, whatever you want to call it. As soon as you hit save, right, it starts to download down here. Okay, so now the easiest way to do this is to reopen your quiz. Right, you're in here. Instead of uploading and browsing, just take this download and drag it until it turns blue. Okay, and then there's your image. Right, and you can do anything else like you would do it. You can center align it. You can do whatever you want. Okay, what I would suggest is if you have multiple images for, let's say, a quiz or a worksheet or whatever, all right, keep copying those into this Google Doc you started, right? Name the Google Doc images for worksheet or whatever you want to call this, number 5, whatever your worksheet is called. Okay? Get them all in here first, whatever ones you think you're going to want. And then once again, you right click on them, okay? You highlight them, you save them to keep, okay? You download them, save image as, okay? The screen will pop up, image 2, save. All right, there it is downloading over here. All right, let's make a new question. All right, what is this? What is the perimeter? Perimeter. All right, come here to this button. right? And again, I can just drag it. Okay. And then you can put multiple choice. You can make this short answer. Right? You can do a bunch of things here. Okay. So that's how to snip images. You could also snip images from the internet. Those. Okay, images. I want to snip an image of a taco. All right. Click on this. Wherever that image is. You can get it from anywhere, but all right. And once again, you know, I'll shrink this a little bit so I can get the whole screen in. Okay, I want to snip this. All right, new. All right, and okay, straight from the internet, copy it. All right, put it in my images Google Doc. If my computer would let me. All right, right underneath the last one, paste. All right, here you can, you know, shrink it up, whatever you want to do. Right click on it, save to keep. It's in keep over here. Right click on it, save image as. All right, this will bring up your download prompt. I'm gonna name it tacos. I'm gonna save it. It should start downloading. Okay, new question. What food is this? Right, add image. I'm in the upload, you should see browse. All right, as long as it saves as a ping. All right, you should be good to go. Okay. That's the easiest way I know how to snip things that you don't already have in Google Drive, or you don't have in Photos, or you can't search up on the internet. Okay. Hopefully this will help you.